Isaac Asimov, who was an American writer and professor of biochemistry at Boston University, had this to say about the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. I am frequently asked if I have visited Israel, whereas yet it is simply assumed that I have. Well, I don't travel, I really don't, and if I did, I probably wouldn't visit Israel. I remember how it was in 1948 when Israel was being established, and all my Jewish friends were ecstatic. I was not. I said, "What are we doing? We are establishing ourselves in a ghetto, in a small corner of a vast Muslim sea. The Muslims will never forget nor forgive, and Israel, as long as it exists, will be embattled." I was laughed at, but I was right. I can't help but feel that the Jews didn't really have the right to appropriate a territory, only because 2,000 years ago, people they considered